Ryan Little.
Japan.
Hi, I'm Tanner,
And I'm Ben.
and this is Koh Chang.
It's the third largest island in Thailand, located about 6 hours away from Bangkok. Most tourists that come to Koh Chang like to stay here, at White Sand Beach.
While this is a great spot to stay, we recommend stepping off the beaten path and checking out the east side of the island. First stop was the Mangrove Boardwalk.
It's a short journey through a scenic wetland.
On a sunny day, the green colors of the plants really pop out.
Booking a private boat around the island is easy enough.
We were able to get one right from our hotel for about 1,500 baht.
I'm sure you can find something similar.
They might even let you fish.
I thought I caught the big one.
Not.
Finally, we arrived at a secluded island called Koh Chang for some snorkeling.
And it didn't disappoint.
There was a lot of epic coral and exotic fish to look at. One thing about Koh Chang we really loved were the groves of palm trees everywhere.
You can see some of the best palm trees any island offers at Waichek Beach.
It's a hidden beach only accessible by a treacherous road.
You'll be glad you made the trek though.
If you do stay at White Sand Beach, you gotta check out a fire show just after sunset.
These guys know their craft.
For more fun Koh Chang travel ideas, check out our friends' adventure tours.
Hello, my name is Sid.
And Sit, what do you do on Koh Chang?
I do adventure tour like hiking, trekking, and boat trip.
What is your Facebook page?
My Facebook page Koh Chang Adventure or same name on TripAdvisor.
And what's your favorite adventure on Koh Chang?
Hiking to the mountain top to see the most stunning view on the island unseen of Koh Chang.
Great. Everyone, go check out Koh Chang Adventure on Facebook and book a trip with Sit.
See you!
Have you been to Koh Chang before? Tell us your favorite experience in the comments down below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It helps out our channel a lot.
Stay tuned for more exciting adventures from the Siam Explorers.